Okay, hi. So I just got ready. I'm gonna make some breakfast now. Breakfast slash brunch. It's kind of late in the day. I don't want to call myself out by how late it is. For the people who know me, you know exactly how late in the day it is. I'm gonna make some breakfast, then I might clean my room, do some homework, and then it's Tuesday. So the Bachelorette, no, it's not Tuesday, it's Thursday, and the Bachelorette is tonight at 9, and it's gonna be a crazy episode, and I'm hoping we bust out our charcuterie board again, because I'll put a video of our charcuterie board last week, and it was literally beautiful. The prettiest thing I've ever seen.
5, 6, 7, 8. Dance with me in my back. So feeling all that you and I should.
And let's see how much stuff I can get done today before I head over. Please ignore my room. I swear I'm gonna clean it later, but these are my pajamas. And I know it's like, it's what, November 5th, but I got cold last night and I wanted to bust out my flannel pajama. So, and I have little dogs on my socks. How cute are they? Literally love them to death. So okay, let's go make some breakfast. I made breakfast while I waited for you to call me.
I'm eating Indian food. Mom made last night, so she went all out. She cooks for.
Okay, I'm gonna start cleaning, and it's just gonna be like a time lapse of me cleaning because I find that to be super satisfying. So I hope you enjoy this time lapse. Also, on the phone with my friend.
I'm waiting for Gigi and Zane to do like a baby reveal.
I don't think they're going to. I feel like they want to protect the face.
I agree. That's such a great, honestly, an amazing thing.
I like that they're doing that. Like, they probably want her to grow up like a normal kid, you know?
And it's like once they find out, they will never leave their daughter alone.
Yeah, exactly. Does Gigi have blue eyes? Like, imagine Niall, like Zane's dark hair and Gigi's blue eyes.
Wait, let me look it up.
Like, how f***ing gorgeous would she be? So I just got back from Bachelorette night. It was really good. They left on a cliffhanger like they always do. Didn't finish cleaning my room, but it's okay. I'm gonna finish it tomorrow. It's like pretty clean now. I think that's it for tonight, and I will see you tomorrow. Good night.
You've been up to waiting, well, yeah. I've been dancing in my room, swaying my feet.
I got ready. It's the next day. I got ready to make myself feel better and like feel a little motivated to do stuff. I think I want to vacuum for sure. But yeah, I got ready. I felt really cute. And I'll show you my outfit. So I'm wearing like this cute top that I just bought. It's from Adika, but I bought it on someone from Karud, so it's like thrifted, you know, sustainable. Also something that I really wanted, but I didn't have to buy it from like the actual company. And then I'm wearing sweats because like, why would I wear jeans if I'm just gonna be at home, you know? I really like this top and I haven't worn it yet. Like the tag is still on it, but like since I'm not going out, who cares? I'm too lazy to take it off. Okay, so change of plans. I'm not gonna vacuum tonight. I'm actually going over to my brother's house to hang out with him and his housemates and like slash neighbors. So they live in a duplex and I'm like friends with like all of them. One of them are gonna come pick me up right now and I'm gonna go over, like hang, probably like watch a movie. So this is the outfit I changed into. I kept the sweatpants because it's just gonna be a chill night, but I put on this shirt that's like kind of cute, and it's also from Adika. If you can't tell, they're my favorite store, favorite brand. And this one I think I also bought it off someone, I can't remember, but it was also like new with tags still on. But I haven't worn it yet and I just wanted to wear like a cute top with sweatpants, you know? And it's really comfy. I don't have to wear a bra, so yeah. It'll just be a chill night. It's like really nice outside, which is crazy because it's November in Michigan and it's like 65 degrees and it's nighttime. That's crazy. Last year in Michigan, it was like snowing. I'm pretty sure it was snowing last year in like 30-20 degrees. Because I went out last year around this time and I was freezing to death. This whole week,
what is that?
it's gonna be like super nice, like sunny. Highs are in the 70s, 73s. And also I'll be getting my vitamin D because seasonal depression is a thing. So I'll be feeling a little bit more happy, more motivated, hopefully. Okay, so it's the next day. I can't talk, I woke up. So it's the next day. It's Saturday now. I'm sorry if like this whole like week kind of situation has been really like all over the place, and I don't know how much I like vlogged, but maybe it's enough for me to piece it together, or I might do like a whole week, even though I started on a weird day. But we'll see, we'll figure it out. I am getting ready right now because I'm going over to my brother's house. Surprise, surprise. I basically live there. We like joke around that I basically live there, except I don't pay rent. I live there rent free.
And before I go, I just want to say it matters not what you've done, but what you do with what you've done for others.
Yeah, so I'm getting ready for that. We're gonna darty for a little bit because it's super nice out. It's sunny, 70 degrees, like just perfect weather. It's gonna be like the last few days before it goes back to like 40 and 50s, so we want to enjoy it as much as we can. So I just finished my makeup. I'm gonna open up the window so you can see it better. Oh, that is bright. Okay. Feel a little cute, flirty, fresh. And I'll show you my outfit. Okay, so this is the outfit I decided on. I'm wearing the cardigan with the flowers, this little like gray tank top that makes my boobs look good, and then the ripped jeans, and then these shoes that have blue flames on them. Like, how sick are they? Yeah, in love with them. And this outfit, and yeah, and then I'm wearing little hoop earrings and this necklace.
Bitch, I know you see me shining in my white tee, it's easy. I'll make it look easy.
Good morning. It's actually not morning, but I just woke up about an hour and a half ago, and I got ready. So it's another day. Yesterday I got a little too, yeah, so I didn't vlog anything when I got home. I kind of just laid in bed and watched TikToks until about 9 a.m., 10 a.m. I think. Definitely 11 a.m. And I woke up at 1 p.m. so I slept for 2 hours. Cute stuff. I love sleep deprivation. It really gives me my personality, you know, like I don't feel myself without some sleep deprivation added into it. Today I'm going on like a little walk and I think we're gonna take some cute pictures on campus. Since classes are online, the campus is gonna be pretty empty and it's like gorgeous out today again. It's 74 degrees, nice and sunny out. So we're gonna take some cute pictures and go for a walk. I'll show you my outfit because I actually really feel really cute. A little out of my comfort zone, like I never wear something like this. Okay, this is my outfit. So I'm wearing like this little sweater vest. I've never worn like a sweater vest before. And this is one that I got, I can't remember. Oh, I think I got this from Shein and I just tucked it under my bra. And then I'm wearing this little like tennis skirt that I got to tailgate with, but since like tailgating isn't as big as of a thing this year, I didn't wear it to tailgate. So, but it's really cute with this outfit. And then I have my super dirty, I need to like wipe some of the dirt off. They're like disgusting. So I'm wearing my Air Forces. They're like the high top Air Forces. Yeah, I'm so sorry. They're like mud on them that I need to definitely clean before I go out. But that's my outfit. I feel super cute and like Pinterest girly. I just feel like my best Pinterest self, you know? I feel like Heather. We're gonna take some cute ass pictures today, hopefully. If they're good enough, I'll put them on the screen, like I'll insert them here. But also, you can probably find out my Instagram as well. I'm so excited for today. I'm really excited for today, and just like, I just can't wait to go for a walk. And I'm going with my friend Sophie, so I'll introduce her to the vlog. I look a lot. Wait. OOTD. Oh.
For me?
Yes, for you. Yes, I'll do a zoom in on this gorgeous bag here. Spooky season still in full blast.
Never ends.
Never ends, baby. And then, where's your shirt from?
Urban, obviously.
And where are those beautiful sunglasses from?
Stephanie's Closet.
Ayo.
Ayo, what the fuck? There's no cheese?
I hate myself.
Like
Thrifted. Thrifted sustainable queen. We just made, oh my god, I almost said peanut butter cookies. We just made pumpkin spice cookies. Look how beautiful she looks. Wait, it's not focusing. Oh my god, yes. And then we're gonna do like a little glaze drizzle over top. This is definitely the ugly sister. This is the pretty sister, sorry. But yeah, look how freaking good.